Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 3 of the John Deere R70 go-kart build. What you are looking at is the underside of the machine, and it is all pressure washed, cleaned up, and yesterday I did some welding work to reinforce the chassis. Now, what I did here is you can kind of see this little piece right here was the only thing that was really holding the axle on. And yeah, I mean, it's a heavier piece, I mean, by the standards of this machine, and it did the job for doing 5-6 miles an hour. Now, if I'm pushing this thing, do 30 or 40 miles an hour, try to go around the corner, these things are going to buckle relatively easy, so I needed some reinforcements. So that is what everything is here. Now I have everything spray painted with some, Rattlecat bed liner, just to keep it from rusting and to keep everything from, not falling apart eventually. So what I ended up doing is this middle bar right here that I ran up the center because it's just a pretty flimsy piece of sheet metal for the main body. Now in the center you can kind of see that there's another bar, which I don't really know what that was for, but I tied my reinforcing into that, and then off of that I have the 2 triangulation bars to reinforce it laterally for when I go around a corner or something like that at higher speeds. Now I'm going to try not to turn this thing going top speed, but I want it to be a fun go-kart, and that requires turning. So the only thing that I did is I put just these 2 reinforcing bars on the actual top of the axle to reinforce it further. So this stuff is just 1-inch mild steel tube, and that's pretty much it for the reinforcing. I think that should hold up. Now these bearings in it are relatively flimsy, so I think what I'll end up doing eventually is completely cutting this stuff out and putting pillow blocks with heavier duty, looks like that shaft is 3/4 inch, so heavier duty 3/4 inch bushings, or I'm sorry, bearings. So, and then the other thing that I did, because when I was doing this I wanted to make sure that everything was, had clearance for everything. And the actual band, or the drum brake in the back, that worked fine. But the only thing is that the brakes were on the right side where the gas pedal needs to be. So I ended up retrofitting this, so now the brake pedal is actually used, or actually uses the left side. Yep. So left side brake pedal will be the brake, right side brake pedal will be the gas, just how it should be. So I have a centrifugal clutch on order. I have to find some 420 gears, and that should be my project later on this week. So like I said, I got a clutch ordered, I got the shaft, now I just gotta work out the drivetrain here, and hopefully, maybe if we're lucky, next weekend we can take it for a test drive. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.